Live stand up. Hey, Melissa, how are you?
New York City, we were just stretching ourselves out. We were warming ourselves up before we begin the big stuff. We got 40 short seconds. Let's go, Jojo! Let's go, Jojo! Hey, everybody clap, 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 clap. No strings attached. Make some noise! Whoa! Whoa! Remember, make some noise! Let's go! Let's go, Jack! The strongest river.
None with us.
It's a study. Science.
That's for you, sir.
You have any tickets, guys? Who's ready? New York live. Stay aside.
J'ai dû faire queen.
Generation of God's wrath. Lost and blind. Calling darkness light.
Just 30 years rotted.
That's nice. I love nice.
I'm not perfect. I do care about the same thing.
Hey, no.
Walk me there. I ain't bad. It ain't bad.
About a live comedy show.
Callie, you have tickets, 5 shows, stand-up comedy. Would you like to see a show tonight?
We break.
That one.
Jesus says that a bruised reed will not break, and a smothered wick he will not put out. Jesus is very gentle. Some of you guys are scared of Jesus because of church hurt.